Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you how you can delete your Facebook Lite account. Before telling you the tutorial, make sure you have subscribed my channel so that you can get notified during the new videos. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you need to open the Facebook Lite app. Make sure you have logged in into any account of your Facebook you want to delete. On the top right corner, you can see the three-line icon. Just tap into it. You'll be guided to this page where on the bottom of the screen you can see setting and privacy. Just tap into it, then scroll down and tap into setting option, and you will see personal and account information on the top of the screen. Just tap into it, and then you will be guided to this page where on the button you can see the account ownership and control option. Just tap into it, and then you will see deactivation and deletion option. Then tap into it. After that, you will need to tap on the delete account option and tap on the continue option. After that, you will need to choose any region for deletion of the account and tap into continue to account deletion option. And then here you can delete your account. Tap into it, and you'll need to enter password here. Once you enter the password, then you'll need to tap into continue option and confirm permanent account deletion. Here you can tap into delete account option. So here you can see that your account has been permanently deleted of Facebook Lite. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Thank you.